In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for LinkedIn content. Fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you discover trending topics and craft engaging content for your LinkedIn audience. Let's dive in so I can guide you through the entire process from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and press Enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results, but you'll want to go to the first link that appears. Click on it to access Google Trends homepage. Once you're on the page, you'll find a menu on the top left corner. Search for the Explore option and click on it. This section is crucial as it allows you to dive deeper into specific search terms and see their popularity over time. Now, it's time to brainstorm some topics. Think about professional and industry topics that resonate with LinkedIn audiences. These can include areas like leadership, career growth, and productivity tools, or maybe industry-specific trends such as AI, marketing, finance, or HR. Once you have a list of potential topics, begin typing them into the Google Trends search bar. The goal here is to identify topics that either show growth or maintain steady popularity. After typing your topic, simply hit Enter. You'll be taken to a new page where you can set some important filters. Let's start with location. You can choose your city, state, or region to pinpoint trends that match your local audience. Next, consider the time range. Look at the past 12 months for consistency in demand, or the last 30 to 90 days to catch on to rising trends. Select a category that aligns with your topic. For LinkedIn, you might select business or technology. Finally, choose the search type. Typically, web search should suffice, but you can also explore the news search to zero in on trending articles or regulations within your industry. Now let's analyze the interest over time graph displayed on the results page. You can choose to view trends over the past 12 months or even 5 years for a broader perspective. Look for steady upward trends, which are great for long-term content, versus sudden spikes, which are perfect for timely and viral-style posts. Below the graph, you'll find two important sections called Related Topics and Related Queries. These sections are gold mines for discovering trending themes and specific keywords or questions people are asking. Items labeled as rising or breakout can inspire LinkedIn articles, short-form posts, or engaging visuals like carousels and infographics. You can even compare multiple topic ideas using the plus compare function. This feature allows you to pit up to 5 different content themes against each other to see which ones are gaining the most interest. Focus your content creation on the strongest rising trends. Finally, take the topics that stood out and add them to your LinkedIn content calendar. Use keywords derived from related queries in your headlines, hashtags, and captions to improve discoverability and engagement. There you have it. By the end of this process, you'll be equipped with a wealth of trending content ideas that are sure to resonate with your LinkedIn audience. Thanks for watching, and happy trend hunting!